on, guys? Car Venture Squad back here again. We got a new video update on the Subi. So I recently got sponsored by a company called Invictus Aero. They were kind enough to send me out some diffuser parts and some canards. So canards go on the front bumper and diffusers rear bumper. So that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. I'm going to be installing them and showing you guys how to do it yourself. Alright guys, I'm back. So I got the canards on. Kind of hard to see with black on black. I'm thinking about getting some white trim and just putting it on here so it pops with like the white STI accents, and I'm thinking about doing it with the lip here also, but got them on. So I just followed the body lines on the car. So there's body line that goes right here and it fit up pretty good. I just marked it where I wanted it, and then these are self tappers, so they're pretty good. So there's one, there's two on this side, and this one just goes in between this like fin here and then the bottom lip. So those two are on, and I got these two on. This one just follows the body line right there, and this one's in between the fin and the lip right there. And now what we got left is the diffuser, which I do believe I have to take the stock STI diffuser off. So there's this diffuser right here that has to come off, and it'll take that diffuser's place, and it just screws on. But I'll show you guys where I'm gonna mount this, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm sorry I didn't record very much, but I got the new diffuser on. Looks really aggressive, so that's the look I was going for. This is pretty hard to do by yourself, so if you have a buddy, get a buddy. But so these go on where like rear spats would go, so they just line up with how a rear spat would go on. I just put, you know, four self tappers in here. One there, one in the corner, the other one in the corner, and then one right here up on the front. And for this middle piece diffuser, I had to take off the stock diffuser. So stock diffuser was just four, I believe it was 10 mil bolts. Comes right out. And this diffuser goes on by attaching to the bumper, and then to this little piece of the trunk that's underneath here. But yeah, definitely like the look of it. Looks a lot more aggressive than the stock one. Gives a little spice to the back. So yeah, sorry, a little short video, but just want to show you guys an update on my car. And I'm gonna include in the intro like a walk around, stuff like that, because this paint job is brand new. I did it myself. I did it on a long weekend, and it's definitely a learning experience. It looks really good. I think I did a really good job. So it is it's not Plasti Dip, it's the other stuff. It's like, it's kind of like Plasti Dip, but it's supposed to last a lot longer. And I think it came out really good. Looks like a nice murdered out STI. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Just have a good one, and if you have any questions, just let me know, and leave your boy a like. Thanks. Peace.